everybody, we are at Walmart. If you guys can kind of see it, I am excited to go shopping today. I was busy for the last 2 weeks because obviously Thanksgiving, and then last week I had my craft show. So yes, but I'm excited to share with you guys some deals. A couple food deals that I'm really excited for. I'm gonna try to do all digital. There is like a couple paper coupons that I'm gonna use, but most of them are printables. So pretty excited for that. I do have a Weekend Warrior. I haven't had one of these in a while, but I need 15 rebates for $5, so we will see if we hit that. But yeah, so let's go inside and have some fun shopping. I heard there's a rumor that there is 3-cent clearance clothes. The odds of me finding it are very slim. There's people that shop at the store like that, but that's okay. Let's still go have some fun shopping. So here is an awesome deal that we have. This Ibotta for $8.97. You can actually print off a printable coupon from the Ibotta website for $5 off. You wound up paying $3.97, but I scanned the item and I don't know if this is one rebate or if it's 2 rebates, but I'm getting a $3 rebate that you can use with Ibotta, making this just 97 cents. If it comes out to be an even better, if it comes out to be 2 rebates, which I will let you guys know when I get my receipt submitted, it could be a $2.03 moneymaker for the $8.97 one. So here we have the Kotex liners for $2.97. You're gonna actually buy 2 of them. We actually have a Fetch Rewards rebate where if you buy the 64 count liners or less, you get 1,000 points when you buy 2. So you get $1 back off of Fetch Rewards. Then you also get $2 back with Ibotta times 2. So that ends up becoming just 94 cents for 2 of them, or 47 cents each. So here we have the Chic razor, the bamboo 3 count for $5.97. You're gonna submit your receipt. Now there's 2 different ways you can do this. You can submit your receipt to the coupons.com app where you'll get $3 back, or you can use a insert coupon, I think, or a printable coupon from coupons.com. But you'll either pay $5.97 or you'll pay $2.97. Then you'll get that, submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, making them just 97 cents. So here we have the Aveeno lotion, the daily moisturizing, for $6.57. Now there is a printable coupon that you guys can print from coupons.com. Otherwise you can submit your receipt to the coupons.com app. So either you would pay $6.57 or $4.57, but then you can submit your receipt to the Ibotta app, making this just $1.57. So here we have the Merci chocolates. You got to get the ones that are the holiday flavored ones. But anyways, these are $6.48. Now we do have a coupons.com coupon that you guys can submit your receipt to. We also have printable coupons, so you can either use 2 printables, or what I'm doing is 1 printable and 1 digital. So either you will pay $11.96 or you will pay $10.96. But then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta where you get $1.50 back with a limit of 5. So you get $3 back with Ibotta, and you will get 500 points with swag bucks when you purchase the 2, which is $5. Comes out to be just $2.96 or $1.48. I'm getting these for my father-in-law because they're always eating my chocolate when they're at my house. So I'm getting him some chocolate because they don't want anything for Christmas. So here's something that you guys could get for yourself, or you could use it as a gift. Now if you're a person who gives candles away to people for Christmas, why not get them a lighter also, or however you guys want to use it. But anyways, these are $3.22. You would pay $3.22, but we have a $2 Ibotta rebate, making them just $1.22. That's like 61 cents each for a lighter, which is a pretty great deal. So here we have the Clorox disinfecting bleach for $3.58. You're gonna buy 2 of them. You would pay $7.16. But then we actually have some swag bucks rebates that you guys can use. Now for this, you can get 400 swag bucks when you purchase 2, which comes out to be like 3 something. But there's also an awesome deal that we can do. It says it has to be over 40 fluid ounces for the bleach bottles, and these are 43 fluid ounces. So you're gonna submit your receipt to both swag bucks deals. This ends up becoming a $2.84 moneymaker. I love using the bleach for my shirts that I bleach, so great deal. So here we have the sparkling Welch's. We got red grape, we got white grape, we have rosé, and then they also have cider for $3.48. You would pay $3.48 for here, but we get a Shopkick deal for 460 kicks, which is $1.84. How did I not write this down? You get $1.84 back with Shopkicks, and then there's also an Ibotta deal for 75 cents, making this just bottle just 89 cents. So great deal if you guys need something for the holidays. So this deal ends soon, but we have the Glad 20 count bags for $5.92. You're gonna buy 2 of them and pay $11.84. We do have an Ibotta deal that does end soon for $1.50 back, so you'll get $2 or you'll get $3 back with Ibotta. Then you get 400 swag bucks when you purchase the 2 of them, so you get $4 back, making it $4.84 or just $2.42 a box. So here's a deal I forgot to mention. The Roto deal, the Roto Eyes is $9.88. You're gonna pay $9.88 for it. But then we have some rebates that you can use. So with Shopkicks, you get 1,010 points, which is $4.04. It changed for me since last night. So $4.04 you get back with Shopkicks. Then you also get, I don't know how I have 2 different deals. Then you also get $4 back with Ibotta, making this just $1.84. Okay, so here's a scenario that you guys can do. So here we have, I'm gonna get the Lay's potato chips. I'm gonna get 2 of these for $1.48. So I'm getting those. I'm also getting some Frito bags of chips for $3.98, and then I'm also getting the Tostitos chips also for $3.98. And we're getting the Fritos for $3.48, okay? Now we currently have a 3 off of 5 coupons.com coupon. I scanned all these and all 5 items popped up, so we're gonna use that 3 off of 5 digital coupon. So either you'll pay $14.40, or if you use the printable, you'll pay $11.40. But then we get $1 back for the Fritos. I also have a 10-cent any rebate. We get $1 back for the Tostitos. I also get $1 back bonus for buying the Fritos dip and the chips. I get $1 back for the Fritos dip. That comes out to be just $8.30, but with that bonus it'll be $7.30. So altogether it comes out to be just $1.46 for all 5 items. Perfect thing because I'm having a holiday Christmas party and these are perfect for what we need. I also forgot to mention there is a 500 point rebate with Fetch Rewards, so instead of it being $8.30 or $7.30, you take 50 cents off, but I'll let you guys know at the end of that. So here we have the Tostitos toppers for $3.48. My store only has just the 2 flavors in stock. But there is currently a $1.25 rebate that you guys can get back with Ibotta, making this just $2.23. So here we have the Sleepy Time extra whatever. You have to get this one for the Ibotta rebate. I scanned these ones don't work, but you want to get this one for $6.22. And then you want to get one of the T-Well Daily Wellness. With Shopkicks, or with Swagbucks, you get 500 kicks when you purchase 2, so you'll get $5 back. I'm sorry you guys, I'm getting ahead of myself, but your total you will pay is $9.66 for these 2 items. You'll get 500 points, so $5 back with Swagbucks. You get $1.49 back with Ibotta, and also another $1.49, making that just $1.68. But then there is a bonus when you buy 2 of them, where I will get a 75 cents back. So both of these come out to be just 93 cents for both of them. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I did my Walmart haul. Pretty excited with everything that I got. While I was about to submit my receipt, I had a pop-up thing that asked me to pick something. It was like a snowman, and I wasn't paying attention because I was actually trying to redeem a gift card. And there is a bonus that has popped up. I had to search snowman and it popped up, but there was like 4 different options, and I picked that I would get 50 rebates by December 19th for a $15 bonus. Now there's 4 different options for you to choose from, but I'm like, let's just see if we can get 50. But with my Walmart Ibotta haul that I got today, I got 18, so I'm gonna do it. And the 19th is not for sorry, I'm trying to figure out today is the 18th, and or the 8th, and so we have 11 days to get like 22 more rebates or 32 more rebates. So we will try to figure it out. We will try to figure out if I have to make multiple places to go to Walmart, we will do that. But I'm not going to go with everything that I got. You guys saw that everything that I got, so I'm just going to kind of do the breakdown. Now, I was going to do a printable breakdown for you, but, and I'm not going to be mean about it, but the second I post this video, not even 5 seconds, Charlotte, please stop. Not even 5 seconds after I post the video, I got 4 or 5 people already in looking at my printable breakdown. And I know I've heard Nick, Ohio Valley Couponeer, complain about this a lot. And I wish I had an option where I could have it available, but I say a code somewhere in the middle of the video, and you could print it by watching my video on the code, but there's just no way to do it. So I'm not doing a printable breakdown because I spent an hour last night working on this haul. And then I get to the store. I'm at the store for an hour and a half, and then I do all this stuff. I put about 4 hours into my Walmart Ibotta haul. Yeah, 4 hours. And then if I do a printable breakdown, that's another hour, and nobody watches the video. They just go straight to the printable breakdown. So I'm sorry that if a lot of you guys want the printable breakdown, but there's people that ruined it for me, and it's not worth my effort to do it, because I know the people that post it, like this, the second I post my video, they don't even watch the video. They just go straight to the printable breakdown, and it's just out of respect. I don't like it. So my total before coupons came to $103.53. Now I'm going to tell you guys, for the Tostitos and the Fritos bonus. So I was about to get the Tostitos salsa because there was a Fetch Rewards a rebate for it. When I went to go get the salsa, the rebate disappeared in Fetch Rewards. And I'm like, okay, I guess I'm not gonna get it. So I didn't. But when I submitted my receipt, I did get the Fritos dip, so I ended up getting 1,000 points for that anyways. So just be prepared. I hate when Fetch Rewards does that, but they're there and then they disappear. I search for it, it's gone. But when I submit my receipt, it's still there. So it's kind of crazy. But I ended up getting the Tostitos chips for $3.98, the Fritos chips for $3.98. I ended up also getting the Fritos dip that was $3.48, and then I get the Lay's chips in the containers for $1.48. I submitted my receipt to the coupons.com app, so I got $3 back with that. You would end up paying $14.40, but then that $3 rebate with the coupons, or you can use the printable coupon, you either pay $14.40 or $11.40. But then I got $1 back for the Tostitos chips. I got $1 back for the Fritos. I got $1 back for the Fritos dip. And then I also had a 10-cent any chips rebate, so I got that. I also received a $1 bonus for the 2 Frito chips, so that was a $1 bonus with that. I got 1,000 points for the Fritos dip from Fetch Rewards, and I got 500 points for the Tostitos chips. So altogether, it all came out to be $6.80, but then I got a $1 bonus for something, but it ended up, Charlotte, quiet. I ended up becoming $5.80 for everything. $5.80. I got it for $1.16 each, which I'm pretty excited for. So that was everything that I got for the whole Tostitos deal. But my before coupons, it was $3.53. After coupons, it was $97.53. With Ibotta, I received $35.08. Fetch Rewards, I received 2,705 points, which is $2.70. With Swagbucks, I received 2,410 points, which is $24.10. The two Clorox rebates, like the 600 one I got points for, but not the 400, and I did read, you know, the small print, and so I have to have them send a review for them to fix it, but I should be getting 2410. I should be getting, I got 2010, but I should be getting another 4 back. With Shopkicks, I received 1,470 kicks, which is $5.80. With Coupons.com, I submitted my receipt. Now for the Mercy chocolate, I bought 2 different flavors. I bought the blue one and I bought the red one. I used one printable coupon. I did separate the 2 items. I didn't scan them together because sometimes Coupons.com is kind of wonky like that. So what I did is I scanned my coupon, and then when I was submitting my receipt to the Coupons.com app, I looked and saw what coupon attached to the one chocolate. So it attached to the milk chocolate one, so I submitted my receipt for the red Mercy chocolate. So that's how you guys can kind of do it if you're not sure with that. But I did get $9 back from Coupons.com. I did get a 75-cent bonus for the Celestial Tea. I got a $1 bonus for the Fritos. I did finish the Weekend Warrior with 15 rebates. I actually got 18 rebates according to my app. So I got $5 for that. I also received a $1 bonus for the Glad bags, which I was pretty excited. So everything came out to be just $13.02. I got 22 items at 59 cents each. I saved over $90.51. So I'm pretty excited for that. Another thing I want you to do is, if you guys are watch my channel, if you guys see right here, these are Christmas cards that I received from you guys. I absolutely love, 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 love Christmas cards. If you guys love watching my channel, all I ask for you to do is send me a Christmas card. That's all I want. I do have a P.O. box below, but I want to fill my kitchen up with Christmas cards, and then when I don't have enough room with that, I have a closet. I want to fill that whole thing with Christmas cards. And then with that, if I run out of room, I'm going to fill up this wall and the door. I want to fill up as many Christmas cards as I can. I want to fill them up as much as I can because I absolutely love Christmas cards. And then I'm thinking maybe out of everybody who sends me a Christmas card, I might do some giveaways or something in the near future, or right after the holidays. I'll just pick some cards and we will see who wins. So yeah, other than that, that was my haul. I'm pretty excited with everything that I got. Especially, I like shopping early in the morning. I did find a candle, you guys. I found a really good smelling candle. It was a Halloween candle. I scanned it in the app. It said it was 74 cents. Get to the register. She's like, yeah, we can't sell that. We can't sell it. It was supposed to be salvaged. And I'm just like, but it's 74 cents. I really wanted it. It smelled so good, and it was a Halloween candle. And they took it from me, and I'm like, whatever. And I didn't see any summer clearance, which is totally fine. I'm totally fine with that. But my store had no clearance. Like, it was all gone. I don't know what aisle they moved it to, but they took it away. But otherwise, I'm still happy with everything that I got. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm here to help you save some money and have fun shopping while we're doing it. Again, thanks, and see you guys later. Bye-bye.